Steven Calverkamp, who's from eBay, and Alex, I'm going to be really bad with bad name and pass, who is one of the co-founders of M2E, to talk about M2E and the benefits.
Yeah, thank you, Chuck. My name is Stefan Calverkamp. This is Alex, and yeah, I'm from eBay, and I just want to make a short introduction of myself and what the eBay Inc. Partnership Group is. As that might be interesting for you as developers, for you as agencies, somehow for you as merchants. And therefore, just let me quickly have a short introduction. So the eBay Inc. Partnership Group is a partner management team which is focused on helping the ecosystem, on collaborating with the ecosystem, to give a best practice experience to merchants, to partners, and to the consumers finally. So we're working closely with Magento, of course. So I'm responsible for the Magento collaboration, kind of the interface between PayPal in Germany, eBay in Germany, and BillSafe in Germany to Magento. So trying to funnel and to channel all needs, all products and technology needs, but also the business needs between the companies. So regarding eBay, there are lots of ways to list on eBay, to sell on eBay for merchants, especially in Germany, but all around the world. So there are plenty of ways, and one really interesting way is M2E, definitely. So what we are doing in that team is to figure out which are the best tools and technologies, how can we collaborate with these technologies, how can we help and optimize the technologies, optimize the experience, and therefore we're really interested in also getting your feedback and also getting your help in terms of what should we optimize in M2E, what should we optimize, whatever, on eBay maybe, to help you sell on eBay and help your merchants sell on eBay. So why we think M2E is really important and really a cool tool is not only why we get that feedback from a customer, so from a developer who integrated M2E. If you have, if you can read it. I won't get into the details and won't go through it. So this is one guy who's really, really satisfied with the solution, and he wrote a long letter to the M2E guys that he's really so crazy satisfied with the product that he spends a lot of time with the product and not cares about anything else. So he hates it so much that he loves it, that he spends so much time. So that's really great. And yeah, we absolutely hear this message, and therefore we got into deeper contact with Alex and with the M2E team to see what we can do. And well, therefore we would love to present M2E as a great solution to list on eBay and to sell on eBay, not only list, and that's a major difference, and especially as it's free. So having a free solution means you can test it, you can trial, you can use it also for small stores and see what that offers to you. So that's really great. So actually, the current version is not only 6.0.6, it's already .8. And the guys are really developing fast, so faster than I can update my slides. So that's really great. And well, I think the main features and the details, Alex will go through it, and yeah, I will come back to stage afterwards.
Okay, thank you. My name is Alex. I'm representing here M2E Pro team. And before I start my presentation, I would like to ask you a couple of questions. How many of you have used M2E Pro to date? Yeah, not many. Oh, that's better. And how many of you think this is a good product? Thank you. And how many of those who have just voted think this product needs some more improvement? Okay, the reason why I have asked you all those questions because I wanted to show you how we develop our product internally. We always listen to our customers, we always listen to our users, we try to understand what our users need, and this is how we prioritize our development and our roadmap. Also, as Stefan just mentioned, we have worked closely with eBay. We've spent considered amount of time talking to our users across different continents, and we have just released a new version 6, with a completely different user experience. So if you haven't updated to version 6, I'm advising you to do so. It has a lot of new features and has slightly different approach to the way how M2E Pro works with eBay. Right, so let's talk a quick journey into what M2E is about. M2E is simple as 1, 2, 3. So to get your products listed and to get yourself started on eBay shouldn't take long. You just need to perform very, very simple three steps. First step is just a simple system setup. All user needs to do is to link his M2E Pro module to an eBay account. Then we offer you 2 modes, simple or advanced mode, depending on your knowledge of the systems. So, but we always suggest to go with the simple mode to start with, but don't worry, you can always switch to advanced mode at any time. Next step would be to create an M2E listing. It's very, very important to understand the concept of M2E listing. We have a lot of customers who sell thousands and thousands and thousands of products. And as you may imagine, it's very difficult to manage those projects individually. So what we do, we group products with the similar characteristics into the groups, which we call M2E listings, and then you could assign certain properties to this group, and then you can start managing those products as a group. So for the M2E Pro listing, you would need to define general settings. Under general settings, we define a marketplace where you want to list your products. Also, you can specify general information such as listing name. Next would be to define payment information, shipping and return policies. And the last but not last, pricing strategies, sale duration, and product description. Under advanced mode, for the product description, you can put more information. And obviously, once you have created your M2E Pro listing, next step would be to choose relevant products from Magento catalog, add those products to the listing, assign eBay categories to those products, and off you go. You're ready to publish your products to eBay. So what are the main benefits of M2E Pro? First of all, it fully synchronizes your eBay stores with Magento. It's very, very important to understand that M2E Pro tries to take best of both systems, Magento and eBay. We use Magento as a master data source, and we use native capabilities of both Magento and eBay. So this is why we are trying to give you the full flexibility and the full power of Magento when it comes to listing on eBay. We also support multiple channels, multiple marketplaces, and multiple Magento accounts. Apart from eBay, we also support Amazon and Rakuten. Obviously, we support international selling on all global eBay sites. The way how we do things is by utilizing listing templates and by automating repetitive tasks. As I said earlier, Magento is a main data source, master data source, so you would manage all your data from one centralized location, helping you to minimize your time on the data maintenance. M2E Pro ensures inventory control across all the channels, all the selling channels. We have a lot of customers who sell limited stock or collectibles, and obviously they would want to take advantage of being exposed to different geographies or different marketplaces. However, they don't have many items in stock or products in stock, so therefore they would often list one product across 3, 4, 5 marketplaces, and Magento would make sure such a customer don't oversell or undersell his stock. Also, we do have a lot of larger companies who use our product or extension, and those companies do have some existing legacy systems in place, or they sometimes use other tools to list on eBay. However, they could still take advantage of our product, and we could take order management and inventory control for them. This is why we are compatible with any third-party eBay listing tool. It's very important to understand what makes us different from similar solutions on the market is that our customers retain full data ownership. We do not take any of our customer data, and we do not store any of our customer data. Yes, we are award-winning, trusted and reliable, and this kind of like a marketing thing says normal. Yeah, I didn't want to like spend too much time on like telling how great we are, so let's you guys decide. Right, yeah, so the main takeaway for you would be just to remember this particular point. So you have freedom to keep your data, and you have freedom to decide whatever you want to do in future, and whichever provider you want to use. But we always try to surprise you. Okay, so this is our new graphic user interface for the version 6. So we've tried to be as close to Magento design framework as possible. So I will give you a very quick example for the listing, which we've called computers and notebooks. As you can see, if you have used ourselves in the past, we have added 3 view modes. This helps you to stay on the same page, but to really find information on the page. So you can see you have eBay settings and Magento options. So whenever you choose eBay, option from the drop-down menu, you would have eBay-related information for a product. If you switch to Magento, you would see Magento-related information for the same product, and settings. This is how we defined relationship between Magento and eBay. On the actions menu, you would have a number of different options or actions available for you to perform on your products, and you can perform those actions individually or in groups. You have tick boxes on the left-hand side, so you can always like choose the products to which you want to apply those actions and perform the task. Also, our product helps you to automate a lot of tasks. We provide synchronization, which is a rules-based system. This is where you define what do you want to do if different kind of events with your inventory occur. So you may want to stop your products from being listed automatically. You may want to revise information about your products automatically, or you may want to release your products, depending on the different kind of rule sets. I don't want to waste a lot of your time now going through the details here. Also, we do allow our customers to define flexible pricing strategies. Very, very often you may want to have one product listed across different channels or different geographies. So you may want to price the very same product differently, depending from the marketplace you list this product. So this is an example how you can define different price changes. Obviously, you could run promotion pricing as well. And apart from the free system and free module, actually it's not free, it's just, it's been, thank you very much to our friends eBay, it's been subsidized by eBay. Nothing comes free in life, so you are using this product because of the generosity of a company called eBay. Also, what comes for free with the product, it comes free support. We provide all the support through our ticket system, and we aim to answer to your queries as fast as possible. Also, we have extensive documentation pages where you would find a lot of information, step-by-step guides on how to configure and how to use our system. We started shooting video tutorials. We have a knowledge base, and also which we consider to be one of the most important parts of our support system, we have feedback and voting pages. Basically, this is a page which has been designed for our customers to come to our site to leave their ideas. Then we would allow our community to vote for those ideas, and if those ideas attract a lot of interest, we would look into implementing those. I think this is it. So thanks for your attention.
We will have a short Q&A session afterwards. I just want to give you some details. If you need some well, help in convincing your merchants in using eBay, or if you're still interested in eBay, there are some interesting numbers that I wanted to share with you. So actually, we have over 70 million active users in Germany. And that means that there is a huge opportunity for every merchant to sell on eBay and to reach new customers. As well, these are active users in Germany. So listing on eBay with M2E is also a great opportunity to sell in other countries. To start cross-border trade or to try to sell in whatever country and see how the price levels are and how that works. So could be a great option. And as well, what really changed in the last years is that over 70% of the articles are fixed price and new. So it's not a flea market anymore. It's really a new marketplace and a new platform. So I think it's a great opportunity for Magento merchants. And if you're interested in M2E, either M2E or eBay or other products, come to us at the booth. We're around all day. And I think, yeah, these are some additional resources that could be helpful for you if you're implementing or thinking about implementing an eBay interface. So we have seller updates, we have different developer guidance. So I think that's definitely helpful for everybody. Cool. So any questions either to me or Alex? Chuck, do we have the time?
We have the time.
Cool.
A question, do you have any way for batch upload products to eBay or some sort of API, not to do it manually, like going through thousands of products and checking some that I want to sell on eBay?
Yeah, basically this is exactly the functionality which our system has. So what you would do, I assume you would manage your products in Magento. So I assume you would have all the master data in Magento. So what you need to do, you would need to create an M2E Pro listing. Then you need to add your products from your Magento catalog to such listing, and then M2E would do like in one go.
Yeah, but the question was, is there any sort of automation of adding the products to listing? Because like if the client, let's say, have thousands of products and he want to sell like only some of them on eBay, is there a sort of API that can just create this listing automatically and not going and adding the products manually?
In order for M2E to send products to eBay, such products need to be attached to a listing.
Manually.
So,
Manually in the Magento interface.
now when you create a product in Magento, a second, just so we have Paul. He will make that.
Okay. Hello, I am Paul from M2E. Let me answer your question. So basically, what you can do, you can use automatic rules in M2E Pro listing to automatically add product to M2E listing. So when product is added to Magento, or for example to the certain website of Magento or certain category, it can be automatically added to the listing, and then based on the list rules. For example, you want to list only in stock products or only enabled in Magento products, they can be automatically listed. So answering your question, yes, it is possible, but you just need to configure it. Automatic rules. There is no API.
And can it be based on attribute?
Sorry?
These filters, can they be based on attribute, on product attribute?
Do you mean
Like I have the custom attribute for a product like list on eBay, and then those filters will grab only products which have those attributes set?
no, this is not possible at this moment, but we have such idea in our mind, and it can be. Actually, manually you can do this because in M2E Pro we have advanced filter where you can use this advanced filter and filter products by any attribute of Magento. but this is in on the manual task.
Thanks.
I have a question too. What if a merchant has a shop using Magento? Does he need to do anything on the eBay side? I mean, he can manage the product on the Magento side. I think the invoice too, the order too. But the merchant needs also to do something else in eBay, or it can be completely black box. Just needs an account and finished, and he can do everything on Magento.
Yeah.
Is it like that?
Yeah, exactly. So the main idea of M2E Pro is allowing users to manage everything from one page, literally. So which means all merchant needs to do is to create an eBay account, link this eBay account to M2E Pro, and then he could do the product management, listing, and order management from Magento interface. He doesn't have to go to eBay. Also, M2E Pro synchronizes Magento and eBay, which means if you ship if you ship your orders, you flag those orders as shipped in Magento. You specify shipping information, and this information flows directly into eBay.
And it's only for the fixed price, not for bet. Doesn't work for the if.
Yeah, it's possible.
Only also for a bet. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
I want to ask which type of products is possible to sell on eBay. Is it only simple products or configurable, bundled, etc., grouped products? And especially, is it possible somehow to sell gift codes, coupon codes on eBay?
We, apart from coupon codes, we support all the product types because we've been like, since day one, we've been like eBay extension. Even though we support other marketplaces, but we spend most of our time making sure we are flawlessly integrating Magento into eBay.
So gift codes is not possible, yeah? Okay.
Any other questions?
Yeah, and if you have any questions, you could also come to eBay booth and like have a chat with us face to face. Thank you.
Cool. Thanks.